Let's see how to use dimensions in CYPE-3D. To do this, we open the Planes menu at the top of the interface and click on Dimensions. By clicking on Add, we modify the dimensions of the model by entering dimensions between the elements of the geometry. Next, the Dimension window appears, where we must type in the distance between lines that we will apply when entering the dimension, as well as specifying whether we are carrying out a generic dimension in any direction of the space, or if we are going to dimension in direction X, Y, or Z. After clicking on Accept, we select either two reference lines or two nodes with the left mouse button, between which the dimension we want to enter is defined. Alternatively, we can also left-click on one of the dimensions shown in the model to assign a new value to it. In any case, the geometry of the model will be adjusted after entering the dimension. The following button in the menu allows us to delete dimensions. In the same way, in the Delete window, we select the type of dimensions we wish to delete. If we select generic dimensions, we can delete any dimension. With dimension X, Y, and Z, we delete dimensions in the corresponding directions. Now, we select each dimension to be deleted one by one with the left mouse button, or we use the crossing method, and right-click to confirm. This operation does not modify the geometry of the model. Next, we find the Show button that allows us to enter additional dimensions to improve the dimensions in the planes or on screen. The dimensions entered with this option do not change the dimensions of the model, but are shown for information purposes only. Again, in the window that appears, we select whether we wish to carry out generic dimensions or dimension X, Y, or Z, and then click on Accept. Now, we mark two reference lines or two nodes with the left mouse button. The program will add the dimension showing the measured distance between them. Finally, we click on Hide to make the dimensions only disappear in the planes. In the pop-up window, we select the type of dimensions to be hidden and click Accept. We select them one by one with the left mouse button or use the crossing method. We right-click to confirm. In this case, the dimension will not be deleted from the model.